What you got? What you got? Let me see. Bring them here. Whoa, so much chaos. Those are gorgeous. They're a little bit dirty.
Well, I'm gonna wash them off.
We should eat them today.
Okay.
Why don't you wash them and I'll make, I'll make a bacon cheddar quiche with them.
Ooh. You think it would be okay with you, if it was okay with Dad, if they weigh some more, if I tried to hatch them?
We're not hatching animals this year. We're not hatching, I'm sorry.
Well, we could do it in the house.
How does that feel to have been the finder of the first geese eggs?
I don't know.
Good job. Hey, wild man! You wanna go feed the cows?
I actually sort of want to make something with them.
What do you want to make?
I don't know.
Well, think about it. Wilder, where are your boots? Yeah, I know, but where are your boots? Go find them. Well, we are going to go find your boots. Cause you're. Do you want to feed the cows?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. All right, where are your boots? Oh, there's your boots. Y'all having fun up there? I don't want y'all to do that, okay?
I didn't go in because I knew that you probably wouldn't like it, Mama.
It'll bust up the hay and you could also get hurt.
Yeah. What does bust up mean?
Bust up the bales and then we can't use them as easy.
Oh, so they fall apart?
Right in. Yeah.
Right in. Okay.
Hey, can we put your boots on?
Yeah.
Hey, are you gonna feed the cows? Going the wrong way. You gotta go that way. We are walking out to the back pasture to feed the cows. And I have my herding stick, you could call it. And we're gonna bring Alice out to go free range some grass. Come on, you beast of a baby. What is it? Okay, jump. Good jumping. All right, come on. We're gonna go get Alice. Let her go on a walk. Did you make it?
Manure mushrooms. I wonder what kind those are. Let's dig up and look at what it looks like inside. See if we can see the mycelium inside, where they came from. They weren't here yesterday. Come on, buddy. Come on, beautiful.
We're actually going to leave her back there for now and let her get her belly full of hay, because this time of year they can just get sick eating too much green grass. And so I forgot that we had to feed them hay first, and then maybe this afternoon we'll let her out to roam on some fresh grass. Here you go. Was that fun?
Yeah.
So do you want to grab this sled for me and help me pull my strawberries?
Yeah.
Thanks. Come over to Daddy's car. 2-year-olds may be heavily opinionated with no ability to regulate emotion. They are awesome helpers. They are excited and exuberant, and all they want is to do what you're doing. And it's just wonderful. Especially once you get older kids that are extremely opinionated and don't necessarily want to just do what you want to do. Thanks, dude. All right, I'm gonna put them in and then we'll pull them up to the garden, okay?
Oh.
I bought 50 strawberry plants. I wasn't pleased with the variety I got last year. Trying again this year. And this is my 3rd time planting strawberries in this garden. I do not know what's up. I have always had great luck with strawberries before living here. So I'm really hoping 3rd time's the charm. Ready to help me pull them?
Yeah.
We gotta both do it, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. We have a long way to go. We'll just go slow and steady. What are you guys working on?
Moving the bricks into a circle.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, y'all made a big mess with the bricks, huh? Nice job. You're gonna make that look pretty again?
Yeah.
Thank you, I appreciate that. Look at this dude.
And then I'm gonna help you.
You wanna pull now?
Yeah.
Oh, you gonna push? He has helped me from way down there to way up here, and we're still going. You think he can make it up this big hill? You are amazing! You made it all the way up here without even stopping. Give me a high five. Oh yeah. If we all had the determination of a 2-year-old, how much could we accomplish? I learned a lot from him because I have been so discouraged. As you guys know, this winter I was very discouraged. But spring, even amidst all the things happening in the world, which are just, yeah, there's no words really for that. I do feel a huge sense of hope and excitement about spring. And I'm just thankful that God gave us seasons. Not only seasons in the weather that bring new things and bring, you know, winter brings rest usually. For me this year it brought a lot of anxiety. Spring brings hope. I feel like summer is carefree hard work. Like you work really hard, but then you have these really incredible carefree days. And then fall used to be for me this time of like excitement because school is starting, but since being an adult and since being a homesteader and gardening and stuff, I feel like fall actually brings for me kind of a close to the end of the year and a reminiscent time and a time to prepare my mind for winter because I struggle in winter a lot. But then there's also seasons of life. So we've been in a difficult season of life lately, made harder of course by all that's happening in the world, and I'm just thankful though that like I know that this season is gonna pass and that there are so many things that I can hold on to right now, especially now that it's spring and especially since we're home. There's so many things that I can hold on to. If I focus on them, if I call them out, if I call them by name, if I look at them, they bring me joy. They bring me gratefulness. They bring me hope. They inspire me. So I just really want to encourage you guys to find those things. What do you need to focus on? What do you need to do in your mind and in your home to have peace? What do you do in your mind and in your heart to have joy and gratefulness and thankfulness? I find a lot of delight in life, and I think that's a gift. So I just want to encourage you guys to find delight wherever you are. And for some of you, I know that it's going to be way more challenging. If you're stuck in an apartment building, not able to even go outside, that would be very challenging to find the delight and to find the gratefulness. My hope and prayer for you is that you will be able to find it every day. I love how you guys have laid out your garden this year. What are you planning to grow?
Carrots. I think mostly just carrots and strawberries and raspberries and flowers and
Where are you gonna get the strawberries?
spinach.
Did you transplant them?
I have some that I'm gonna transplant.
That's really cool. What are you gonna grow in your garden?
Don't forget.
You haven't decided yet, you're just getting it ready. We need to get you guys a load of compost.
Carrots and beans.
And you can dig up all of the shoots and transplant them. I'd wait till they get like this big, then dig them up, because I don't want them growing out into the garden. So we can spread them out. And then down here, this whole section here is dead. So we could transplant like 2 of those. Probably the best way to do it is not to try to get one little plant, but to get a whole section of root and then just leave one plant on it.
Sunday, and we do not work on Sunday, even though we have worked piddled around a little just because we enjoy it. Like we don't do big projects on Sundays, but the kids have requested that we go polar plunging, which we used to do daily when we were staying at the roads. So that's what we're doing. We're having a little snack lunch, and then we are heading
to the river.
Yeah, then we're heading to the river, which is very cold. I would say it's colder.
It's gonna be longer than 3 minutes.
I'm not saying longer.
151 minutes.
Nope.
$200. Unless someone starts drowning. Then you're gonna be wet.
Then it'll make mom go in and get
That's
him.
not my idea, fun.
You gonna jump in the water?
Yeah.
Who's going polar plunging?
Me.
We're bringing you guys along today. We don't usually film on Sundays, so come and enjoy polar plunging with us. giant tree. Oh my goodness. Woo!
Look at the giant tree. Whoa.
We come here all the time this summer, and that giant tree has gotten swept downstream since the last time we were here.
Do you think that this happened because of the storm?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe we could go out to like here if it was so much. If it was a lot deeper, we could go out and jump off.
All right, the girls are going in first.
I might not do this.
I'm wearing a down coat. It is not warm out here.
Yes, it is.
You're funny.
2. 3. Yeah, right.
Okay, my only goal is to swim across the swimming hole to that rock and back. If I do that, I'll feel like I was more powerful than my mind, because sitting in the water is not as hard as swimming in the water. Swimming in the water feels like 10,000 deaths by needles. So I'm gonna try to overcome my fear of swimming in it and swim across and swim back.
Because they
Come on, Gracie, you can do it. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it.
I need a race pack. Mommy,
Sit down and get your breath and then you swim.
It's actually like one. I'm not gonna do it.
Get out of the water. Thank you. Hey Brighton, look what you made me do. Look at my boots.
Oh.
My boots are full of cold water.
It's much colder in the middle of the river. I don't know why.
My turn.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, I brought myself a special treat. That was way harder than just polar plunging. That's what Gracie wanted to do it. She wanted to go the rock and back, so I wanted to do it with her. Alright.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
You can. Tell yourself, tell your mind, I will do it.
I'm gonna do it again.
Good job.
No! Let go! What? All you have to do is let go. Okay, here I go.
Do it, let go, let go, let go. Woo! Good job. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Get in my bathroom. Well, that was one of our most epic Sunday fun days in March that we've ever had. We're still doing it, that's right. And we're gonna go watch movies now.
Can I use your coat, please?
Yes, you can. Isn't it a great day on the homestead? Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you in the next video.